Hello everyone, let's consider this exponential equation and we are asked to obtain the value of x. So we are given that 2 to the power of 2x minus 3 minus 2 to the power of x minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this can be expressed as 2 to the power of 2x or divided by 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of 2 minus 1 equal to 0. Now we can have it that this becomes 2 to the power of 2x divided by 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now at this point we can simplify denominators. So we have that this is 2 to the power of 2x divided by 8 because 2 to the power of 3 is 8 minus 2 to the power of x divided by 4 because 2 to the power of 2 is 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Now, to get rid of the fraction in this equation, we multiply the equation through by the LCM, which is 8. So 8 being an LCM, we have that the equation becomes 8 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2x divided by 8 minus 8 multiplied by 2 to the power of x divided by 4 minus 8 multiplied 1 is equal to 8 times 0. So on that note, we can cancel out terms that can be cancelled out. So 8 cancel out 8, we'll be left with 2 to the power of 2x minus 4 into itself is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we have 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus 8 equal to 0. So at this point, the equation can be expressed in a form that we have 2 to the power of x all the way to the power of 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus 8 equal to 0. Now, let me explain what I did here. So recall that if I have a to the power of m times n, this can also be expressed as a to the power of m, or closed in the bracket, a to the power of n. Or we can have it that a to the power of n, or to the power of m. So therefore, this is what happened here. First, we can now make some substitution and say let p be equal to 2 to the power of x. So our equation now reduces to p squared minus 2p minus 8 equal to 0. So at this point, we have a quadratic equation. So we can be able to solve this equation using the factorization method. So now, we will look out for two numbers that when we add them, the result is equal to negative 2. And we will multiply them, the result is equal to negative 8. The two numbers are negative 4 and plus 2. So because if we have minus 4 plus 2, this is equal to negative 2, and minus 4 times 2 is equal to negative 8. So we can use that. So therefore, this becomes p squared minus 4p plus 2p minus 8 is equal to 0. So we have it that p, open the bracket, p minus 4 plus 2, open the bracket, p minus 4 is equal to 0. So now we have that p plus 2 multiplied by p minus 4 is equal to 0. Thus, p plus 2 is equal to 0. Also, p minus 4 is equal to 0. So therefore, p is equal to -2 or p is equal to positive 4. But recall that we said let p be equal to 2 to the power of x. So recall that p is equal to 2 to the power of x. So for p equal to -2, we have that this is -2 equal to 2 to the power of x. At this point, we cannot obtain the solution for x here. Also, we have that for p equal to 4, we have this becomes 4 equal to 2 to the power of x. We can express 4 in base 2. We have that 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of x. So since the bases are the same, the index should be the same. So we have that x is equal to 2. So at this point, we had a solution, but at this point, we could not obtain a solution. So now at this point, let's check if our solution is correct. So we are about to check if s equal to 2 satisfies our equation. So the equation given to us was 2 to the power of 2x minus 3 minus 2 to the power of x minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So recall that s is equal to 2. So we have that this is 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3 minus 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2 is 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 is 0. So 2 raised to the power of 0 minus 1 equal to 0. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So we are left with 2 raised to the power of 1, which is equal to 2, minus 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1, minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is true that x equal to 2 is a solution. So if you know you have found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and please smash the notification bell so that when we post new videos like this, you'll be the first to watch. Bye, and I will see you in my next video.